guys, so today I have a very awesome slime giveaway as well as a slime review for DCSensoryShop. So I will be doing a quick review and then I'll get to the giveaway details. But when you open up the box, the first thing you see is this Ziploc baggie here. And it says DCSensoryShop and it has the care instructions. It comes with a massive amount of borax. We have some Skittles, lifesavers, a cute little elephant eraser, I believe, and a pumpkin sticker. Now for the actual slime itself, this first one that I have here, it's all wrapped in bubble wrap. This bubble wrap pouch, DCSensoryShop, and it is called Watermelon KoolAid. And I can actually smell this already. Even without opening, I already smell it. So that's pretty awesome. So the slime is a bit sticky, so I'm just going to be taking some of the borax that they provided. Yeah, overall, I am really impressed with this because it is, okay, the smell, first of all, is so amazing, and it smells exactly like watermelon KoolAid, and I love all the hollow glitter in there. It just makes it so much more fun and interesting. And then you also got these 3 large cubes, so that are really fun to squish. So yeah, this one is very fun, very glossy, and it matches the name so well. Alright, so this slime is once again another beautifully named slime. This one is called Floating Flowers, and it totally looks like flowers floating in the sky or in the water. Yeah, it's really pretty. I love the really cute flowers in there, and it's just really pretty. I love all the colors. So yeah, it's a really fun, clear slime. Very interesting. Alrighty, so here is another very appropriately named slime, Sparkling Sunshine. All these names are so nice and creative, and they totally work well with the slime itself. So this is like a clear yellow slime with a lot of iridescent glitters of various sizes, and this one is so stretchy, and so it just makes awesome popping noises. So I think this is very fun. And of course, you can always change the consistency by adding borax and other things. So this one isn't too sticky. It was only the watermelon KoolAid one that got a little sticky, maybe from the weather. But yeah, I love this texture, and I love how stretchy it is. I love making these popping noises. Alright, so now it's time for the giveaway, and the prize is any one of these, so you guys can choose which one you want. And how you enter is you just have to subscribe to me and comment down below your favorite slime from their Etsy shop. It doesn't have to be one of these. Just check out their Etsy shop. I'll link it in the description, and comment your favorite slime that you see there. And you can comment once a day, so you can come back every day for more entries, and I'll have more details in the description box. And so yeah, try not to comment the same thing every day, because that might go to spam. So maybe say like floating flowers is my favorite, and just add some little random thing to it. So yeah, thanks for watching.